Just a quick little video of what I've been up to. I was sick with the flu. Had a lot of time to sit around and think. Felt better. Created. That's my battery interface. USB charging. 2 power ports. Charger. High and low. Emergency light. Inverter. Computer. All the little doodads that run up to like the fan and whatnot. So I can get this weird fan. That one goes in an electric blanket. This is a fun one though. Ready for this shit? I installed my diesel heater. Also made a low flat floor. Figured out how to take the front seat out really easily. So that just comes out in like literally 2 minutes. And then there's a custom built panel. It takes 10 seconds to snap in place. These are legs that are on Velcro. Latches, hooks up into here. And I have a whole bed that goes all over the dash, all the way back. That's flat. And you're in a second. Just under a wrap in there. Comes out right by the heat shield for the muffler, wraps down right with the muffler, hooks onto the muffler hanger, exit right next to the exhaust for the vehicle. Oh, fridge, that's all built in now. I still have the cord. It's just hanging out down here. That's for the WeBoost if I want to plug it into house power or vehicle power. I have a choice. Same thing with the fridge. Right now it's just plugged in, but it's not turned on. Anyway. Ready for Waco Tactical Fitness next week and a half. This is Wednesday. I leave Friday morning, 5 a.m. In a week and a half. So yeah, Waco Tactical Fitness in Arkansas. Coming out camping. Gonna run the Winnebago.